Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm over here in Chaweng, walking through Marine Resort and Restaurant right now. On my way to Chaweng Beach. I've just decided to come over here because I have a meeting a little bit later. And yeah, I wanted to walk along the beach for a little bit before my meeting. And possibly I'll bump into a friend. His name's Andrew. He's also staying in Chaweng. So we'll see if he pops up somewhere along the way. But yeah, it has been a bit rainy these past few days. Actually quite rainy. But now, there was rain over here and now it's looking like it's cleared up quite nicely. Check it out, you got blue, sunny skies, not too many clouds, beautiful. And this is the Marine Restaurant right on Chaweng Beach. In fact, I might do an interview right here a little bit later this week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just kind of want to see what Chaweng Beach is looking like now. I don't really make it over here all that often, so let's see what there is to see. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my bathing suit, otherwise I'd get in the water. But yeah, sun's out, sunny skies, looking beautiful, and not super busy at the moment. It's currently Monday afternoon. So yeah, this is looking beautiful right now. You can also take kayaks and stand-up paddleboards out to those little islands off there in the distance. So yeah, that's an option as well. If you like to get out on the water, but you don't necessarily want to get wet, you can take one of those kayaks out. Let's keep walking. On the right, we have the Muang Resort, which must be renovating the place or something. Not exactly sure what happened there. This is one of the oldest resorts on Chaweng Beach. Huh. Not too good. Let's keep walking here. I really like this shot right here with the palm tree. This is the stay. It's a... Hey! Oh, you're up there. Hello. What's going on? Is it renovated? Oh, okay. Okay. Come back later. So I believe that's Finn. He's one of the owners or managers of the Muang Resort. So yeah, I guess they're renovating the place or something. But anyway, let's continue walking. The weather has definitely cleared up since about 30 minutes ago. Oh! And it is becoming high tide now, so the water is quite a ways up on the beach. Hello. Makes it a bit difficult to do fire shows. They have massage here, of course. So you can get a nice relaxing massage right there on Chaweng Beach for 300 baht. Just so you know, in case you don't know already, that's roughly $10 USD. For a traditional Thai massage on one of the best beaches on the island. Tough to beat. So yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the video so far. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And turn on those bell notifications for updates. Thanks so much. More massage right here. Looks very relaxing. And yeah, the tide is coming up quite a ways now. But I don't think it ever goes above like the top of those stairs right there, as far as I know. Ooh. Very close to the airport, so you can watch the planes take off from here, which is always fun. Does tend to get a little bit noisy, but no complaints. And I forget which resort this is. Oh, it's Chaweng Regent Resort right here. So this is a really nice place. A little bit older, but still a beautiful resort right here in Chaweng Beach. And we'll see if we can get through here, but I don't know. It's the waves are getting quite high now. I still prefer Lamai Beach. I think it's the best beach on the whole island. But you know, this one's pretty nice as well. It is the most popular for tourists, Chaweng Beach. Oh, wow. Okay. It's getting quite deep right here. Let's see if I can... there we go. I'll just step up here. There. Okay. Let's continue the tour. This is the combo resort right here. Also a great option if you're coming to Chaweng. You want to stay in Chaweng. There's the restaurant. Right on the beach. Pretty tough to beat. Nice pool here. And we'll step back down from here, maybe. Yeah. There we go. No problemo. Just a bit of a detour. This restaurant I've never tried is called Kun Yung, I believe. Looks quite nice. And it is pretty hot right now. I kind of enjoy the rain sometimes because it cools things down. And we have a little bit of cloud cover. But yeah, still turned out to be a beautiful day. For now anyway. Could start raining a little bit later, we'll see. And on the right now we're coming up on Cabanas, which I made a full YouTube video about. I did a collaboration with the manager of this place 2 weekends ago. And it's brand new. Right here, Cabanas. Wow. It's very nice, very nice. They have fire shows every night, pretty much. Live music. They even have an ice cream shop on the beach. Right there, you can get an ice cream. And plenty of sunbeds out front. Fantastic spot. Hello. Come back. And next door we have Lub D. This is, I would say, the most famous hostel on the island right here. Very popular place. Ooh. Might be able to do a collaboration here too, actually. But not right now. Whew. Hello. And here's Elephant Beach Club. They have live music here every weekend. Good DJs. How many minutes are we up to now? 10 minutes exactly. I'm gonna keep it going. I am starting to get pretty hot. But let's keep walking a little bit. Next we have Ark Bar. And this is the most famous beach club in Samui, I would say without a doubt. The owner has a bunch of Lamborghinis. And yeah, they have fire shows pretty much every night. Live music. Right here at Ark Bar. I don't come over here very often, but I will definitely be here if I'm in Samui for New Year's. Definitely want to come here for New Year's. They have a big fireworks celebration. Whoa, that's actually a jet. That's not like a normal Bangkok Airways plane, that's a jet. Like a proper private jet. Pretty cool. And next, this is Chaweng Garden Beach Resort. Stunning place. I've actually had the opportunity to stay here before, and it's really nice, quite popular. A lot of tourists choose to stay here on Chaweng. Again, hope you're enjoying the tour. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It helps a lot. Thanks so much. Looks like the sun has gone behind a cloud a little bit, which is relieving. You can also get like pineapples, bananas and stuff here. They'll serve you up a nice fruit smoothie. Hello, Sarika. It is quite hot. Maybe I'll get something later. Whew. See, they just cook it for you right here on the beach. Pretty cool. So if you want to support the locals, by all means, buy something. Maybe I'll get something on the way back. But yeah, quite beautiful weather today for rainy season. It has been raining, like I mentioned earlier, quite a bit recently. But not too shabby today. And this right here is the Evergreen Resort. They also have a restaurant right on the beach. They got happy hour, all sorts of delicious Thai food right here. And they even have a little Evergreen bar. So they have the Evergreen bar right here. Hello, Swadikap. So they'll serve you up a cocktail or a beer. Excellent. Happy hour. When is happy hour?
Happy hour
5?
2 p.m.
Oh, 2 p.m. Okay, that's early for a happy hour. So yeah, happy hour right here. You're welcome. More massage. Lots of massage all up and down the beach. And this is where my friend Andrew was earlier, but looks like he may have left. I don't see him here now. This is the Lip Smacker Beach Bar. It's kind of like a Rasta bar right here. Hello. That woman didn't look too happy to see me. Hello. But yeah, you can sit right here on the beach. Enjoy a nice cocktail, maybe a bite to eat. And right next to it is Al's Resort. This is actually one of the original beach resorts here in Chaweng. It's been here for like 30-40 years. And I've actually met the owner before. He also owns Raja Ferry, which is the big ferry company. Seatran, La Playa, and then Raja. And it's looking like they're offering like special deals on the rooms. It says here, starts at 1,000 baht per month, or per day, sorry, with monthly rentals. It's a pretty good deal. My friend Peter stayed here last time from Australia. Seemed to like it. And they also have Mexican food too. So right here you can see Mexican food. And it's actually pretty good too. Well, I think I'm going to wrap up this video soon here at Al's Resort. Maybe continue walking a little bit, but it is quite hot. And I would like to get in the water, but I didn't bring a bathing suit, unfortunately. And yeah, I have a meeting pretty soon after this. But yeah, just wanted to show you around Chaweng Beach on a Monday afternoon. And nice thing is I have the freedom and flexibility to make this video on a weekday in the afternoon because I work for myself. So if you need any more information, drop a comment below. I'll send you over my website. We can schedule a call. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Koh Samui. See you in the next one.